So hello everyone, this is a video based on the NPTEL course you all are following, that is Introduction to Modern Application Development, and this video that I am preparing right now is just to let you all guys know, like when you are typing a command to run the local server as shown in that practical P1 instructed by Tanmay sir, and many of you are just getting the error if you are typing http-server and it just says command not found. So you are like, what can we do, what can I do right now, and you'll just stop there. So you need not stop here guys. So this is a video how to run a server or host a server in your machine, so that all users connected to your machine on your network can view the files that you wanna share with them. So this is a video completely based on that practical one given in NPTEL Introduction to Modern Application Development course, and this is not my idea guys. So I'll just go ahead with the video. So firstly we need to install the software called Node.js software. This is a software used to host the server or create a server in your machine. So even a Windows machine needs this, and a Mac OS X machine also needs this. I am on a Mac machine running Sierra, so I already installed the software. Just type in Node.js and Node.js and hit enter, then you will be getting the Node.js website. From there you need to download, and it will download, and you just follow the download instructions and it will be in the downloads folder. Go ahead to the downloads folder, tap on Node.js package and just hit next, continue. If it is a Windows machine you will hit next, and for a Mac machine it is continue. So after you install this, we need to open terminal, and Windows users need to open command prompt. So in this terminal, first you need to make a directory on your desktop. So let's go ahead to the desktop, cd space, cd in the sense change directory, desktop. Now I am on desktop. This command is same for Windows users also, and to list the files I will type ls, whereas Windows users need to type dir and hit enter. So there is only one file, so let's make a directory, mkdir space web directory ls. So this is web directory. So let's open that web directory and create some text file in that. So I'll use text editor in my Mac, and Windows users need to use Notepad. So once the text editor opens, I'll create a new document. So I'll say, so let me save this file guys. So I'll save that with my file. So I'll save that. So let me keep this file in web directory folder, and then let me make another directory like web, and then let me keep this file in this web directory. So till now what we have done, it's simple. I came to desktop, created a folder, and then in that I created another folder. In that folder I created this text file. So now we need to run some commands which are similar both in Windows and as well as Mac machines. First command is npm space init, and you need to connect to the internet before you type this command. So it will just install the package.json files. Just type the username of your machine. Just skip all this for now guys, we need not know about all this. So I have created a package.json file. Sorry, because I am not in this folder and I created it on desktop, so it created there. So let me move this right here and let me keep, and first let me go into that directory, cd space web. Now I am on that directory ls. Yeah, here are the files. So next we need to install HTTP server. We'll go to HTTP server. Yeah, this is the npm site as Tanmay sir told in that video. So we need to type the command npm install HTTP server. Let me copy this command, go ahead to terminal, paste the command and hit enter. So it will download the required files to run a HTTP server. So just wait for that to finish, and once it's finished you are done. So first let me host the server to show the files which are in my web directory. So what I need to do is I'll just go ahead and let me change my directory to web. I am in web, so list, okay. So now I need to type the command node space. Now we need to go to node modules in this folder http server, then you need to go to bin, then drag this terminal command file into this terminal, and then if you hit enter in the terminal, there you go, your server is running right now on the IP address 192.168.4.3 and on the port 8080. So let me copy this address and then go to my browser, any browser. Let me go to Chrome, open a new tab and paste the IP address and hit enter. So here is my text file that I am able to see on my local machine, local host. So you can also view these files using your local host address. So these are all the requests that are done through the server. So it will just record each and everything what requests that are being received by this server. So let me copy the local host address and then run with the help of this. So let us see will it accept that or not. Let me paste. So even here also it shows. So if you want to change or if you want to stop this process, you need to hit Control C. And now let me run a server in this like node space http server, and I'm running a server on 8080 port. So I'll open a new terminal, then go to desktop and then list the files, then go to web directory, cd space, then list the files. Now again if I need to create another server, I just can't create another server on the same port because the port is already blocked on one, because it is running a server, so the port is blocked. So let me try to create, see will it create a file or not. Node space, then again we need to drag this http server, so I'll hit enter. So it already shifted the port, like it shifted the port to 8081 and here the port is 8080. It just did that automatically. If it doesn't do that, you need to give the command node space, again copy this file, then -p to specify the port you want. So it created a server on port 8082. So let me go and see whether the files are being served correctly or not. So let me go into this first, and let me paste it here. So even in port 8082 it shows all the files, and then let me just go into the port 8080. So we'll know, right, because both the servers are running effectively or not. So both the servers are running actively on your local host machine. So this is the video tutorial on how to create a server using Node.js and npm installer as instructed by Tanmay sir. And if you follow these steps, you will not get any errors. You can just follow the practical one very easily.